Boo! Welcome back to Just Another Gaming Channel. This is me, and that's Ari, and we're playing Mario with origami. Last time we left off, we found out that I can use the Elemental thing. You know, where I transform into the Earth Elemental in battle.
Yeah.
Man, I just really want to test what they said. Thanks, Mario. I was using my sandwich when I started thinking about my sandwich, and I got wedged in the sand. Alright, look, we killed the Goomba with the hammer without even going into battle. That's so cool. This is so cool. Ari, this is wow. This is so wow. Just wow. I mean, I don't know what else to think but wow. This is so cool, Ari. I wonder if every battle will, if it'll stop being a tutorial, if they'll stop giving us a tutorial every other battle.
You have to get over to the tower, remember?
Yeah, that's where I'm going, to the tower. But I really want that treasure chest. Oh man, I like this game so much. Oh man, this is even more awesome than I thought it would be. Whoa. This is so amazing and cool. Wow. Awesomeness at its awesomest. Wow. Oh hey, it's Toad. I was on the grasshopper team in high school, so this really worked out for me.
You should probably go up to the tower.
Oh, baddie. Baddie bad guy. Baddie bad goodbye. Baddie bad. Ow, my knee. Man, I have way too cramped of a recording space, but at the same time it makes the most sense since it's least likely for there to be interruptions. It is what it is. Everything. I don't care. Ari, we're gonna be the Earth Elemental again. I wonder how this is gonna incorporate forced motion controls. Nope, I'm not doing this every time. It was cool the first time, not doing it again. Alright, shake it like a piece of outdated photographic paper.
It's just a cutscene.
Ah, I wanted more forced motion controls. Not
Right?
enough.
Now you can have the other boss, I believe.
Not enough forced motion controls. 0 out of 10. You heard, Ari? My review of Paper Mario the Origami King. Not enough forced motion controls. 0 out of 10. Whoa, look at the size of those shrooms. And that banana. That could feed an army. Wait, there's something off about them, isn't there? They're just drawings, flat as paper. Sorry if I got your mouth watering there. Next, that's one of the biggest holes we've seen, isn't it? Looks like we'll need plenty of confetti to fix it up, I'm afraid. Hey, fix that huge hole! Oh my gosh, it's my brother's face. This one I could tell was a drawing right away. It's really well done, though. It must have been the same artist who drew the banana and the mushrooms. Wait, that means whoever drew this knows my brother. I don't know how, but there's no other explanation. Oh, I know what boss fight this is because they showed it in the trailers. Not gonna spoil it for the fans, though. No, you're ripping me. There's gotta be a better way. No, you're ripping me. There's gotta be a better way. Ah, that's better. Welcome to Overlook Tower, Mario, the tower with a gift shop. We're still working on that slogan. And it looks like we've got some major cleaning up to do as well. This artwork isn't bad, mind you, but every time I see it, I'll think of that monster that attacked us. It was horrible, a thin, rattling body with a huge mouth filled with all manner of things. You think a monster did this? I didn't know my brother was friends with monsters, because it has to be someone who knows his face. Hey, listen, I know you're scared, but Mario is here now. That means there's nothing to fear, right, Mario? Why play video games when you can just skip to the top? Hey, can you humor me for just a second? Ahem. Now passing the 3rd floor. Cosmetics, handbags, men's slacks, oranges, perfume, and camping gear. Man, you don't even have to play the game. Next up, 4th floor. Bicycles, mattresses, formal wear, blenders, and comic books. How'd I do? I've always wanted to be an elevator operator in one of those fancy department stores. I'm actually not too clear about what a fancy department store is, but it sounds fun, right? Mind if I do the same thing in reverse on the way down? Ari, boss fight, boss fight, boss fight. No. Whoa, that was way too close. What are these sticks making us stuck? Ooh, they positively ruined my department store fantasy. Unless... Dearest elevator passengers, there will be a slight delay while my friend Mario takes care of this emergency. Psst, do something, Mario. Wahoo! See you next time on Just Another Gaming Channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Wahoo!